Yes. Yes.
which move the egg towards the uterus.
Good morning.
Should I begin from
Yeah.
the start? Good morning everyone, my name is Deveshi.
My name is Hansika.
And together we are going to be explaining you all about the topics embryology, twins and triplets. So I am going to be the one who is explaining about embryology. So we are going to cover three parts, like three main systems, which are fertilization, implantation and gestation. So during the intercourse, about 300 million sperm enter into the vagina of the human. From here, half may go outside and the other half flow towards the cervix. So, from the cervix, they move in different directions. One moves towards the unfertilized egg and the others move towards the fertilized egg. So, the ones which are moving towards the fertilized egg travel to the fallopian tube. In the fallopian tube, the ciliary structures trap the sperms. So, the sperm must surge against this motion to travel forward. Few liquids which are acidic in the vagina starts killing the sperm because it protects it from the invaders. So only a dozen of the few original 300 million sperms remain. The hair-like cilia structures push the ovary inside the uterus. So as a dozen remain, sperms get hyperreactive and float or move faster toward the uterus. So in the uterus, the egg and the sperm makes contact. So the first sperm which makes contact with the egg fertilizes the whole egg. So the egg has two layers. I am demonstrating it like this. So the outer layer is called as the corona radiata. The corona radiata layer is like a smooth surface with many eggs on it. So the sperm must penetrate into this layer to reach the zona pellucida, which is the second layer. So the zona pellucida has white liquid kind of structure which triggers the acrosome, which is the head part of the sperm, and it pulls it inside. So by this, the DNA present in the acrosome starts developing and forms the male pronucleus. So by this process, the female pronucleus awakens and both of them form the XY XX chromosomes, which leads to the formation of XX or XY, which is he or she. This completes the process of fertilization. As you can see, the egg is fertilized, and this fertilized egg seeps and sinks or sets in the uterus. This process is called as implantation. Here, in this place, your baby will be staying for 9 months and developing. So after fertilization, a single egg starts dividing into two and multiplies. That is called as blastocyst. So the outer layer from the blastocyst gets removed and the inside one starts forming the fetus. So when the baby is inside the womb, it is called as the fetus. So in the first month, the round and flat structure here, it is called as the placenta. So the placenta is the main organ which is responsible for the transfer of nutrients from the baby to the mother. So in the second month, you can see the baby starts developing a tiny nose, ears and mouth. So the 3 out of the original 5 sense organs starts developing. And in the third month, you can see it starts developing much more into a human form other than the rat form which we have seen here. So in the third month, your little one's intestines and muscular system starts developing. It starts developing the legs also, and you can see that it's in a curved shape. This is because the backbone is still not matured and it's soft. Moving to the 4th month right here, the teeth become much denser and the reproductive organs are visible in the ultrasound scans. For example, not the exact baby scans, but we have few replicas of the CT scan of brain. You can see. And then we have kidneys and etc. So moving on to the 5th month, the fetus has the CRL, which is the size about 6.5 inches, which is approximately 16 centimeters, and fine hair-like structure starts developing on the baby. Moving to the 6th month, your baby develops fully formed lungs. Your hand please. And these lines here are called the fingerprints. The fingerprint starts developing in this month and they are mature. Next, the heart also begins to develop. Moving on to the 7th month, as As you can see, the babies took the form of a human, unlike the rat which we have seen in the first month.